Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 5.2 8th question. Find f of 2.8 from the following table. X is given 0, 1, 2, 3 and f of x is 1, 2, 11 and 34. And they have asked you f of 2.8, that is f of x. So in the place of x you will have to replace 2.8. Okay. So 2.8 means in this place in between 2 and 3 you will have your 2.8. So that is at the backward of your table. Okay. So you will have to use your Newton's backward formula. Since the required value (2.8) lies at the end of the table. So it is at the end of the table. So using Newton's backward interpolation formula. So x is equal to xn plus nh, where your x's they have given here 2.8 and your xn is your last value, that is your 3, and your h is in between interval. Okay, in between to your interval your difference will be 1, so h is equal to 1. Now substitute all these values here. So 2.8 is equal to xn is 3, so 3 plus n you keep as it is and your h is 1. So we'll have to find n only. Okay, so it is 2.8. Take this 3 towards your left hand side, so it will become minus 3, that is equal to n. N into 1 will become n itself. So it is minus 0.2 is equal to n. That is n is equal to minus 0.2. X is 0, 1, 2, 3 it is given. So I'll just write it here 0, 1, 2, 3. And your f of x is given 1, 2, 11, 34. I just declared f of x is equal to y because in your formula you will have y only everywhere. Okay. So y is equal to, this is 1, 2, 11, 34. Now you will have to find your NEFLA y. So it is 34 minus 11, you will get 23. So in between to these two numbers you will have to write 23. Next is 11 minus 2, it is 9. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Now NEFLA square y you will have to find. 23 minus 9 you will get 14. 9 minus 1 you will get 8. Next NEFLA cube y is 14 minus 8, 6. So since it is your backward Newton's formula, you will have to take all these values. Newton's backward formula is y of x is equal to xn plus nh is equal to yn plus n divided by 1 factorial into NEFLA yn plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into NEFLA square yn plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into NEFLA cube yn plus etc. So you will have to substitute all the values now. That is equal to yn is in your y column last value, it is 34 plus n is, we have got it before, it is minus 0.2 divided by 1 factorial is 1. NEFLA yn, so NEFLA y in that last value it is 23. Then plus again n into n plus 1, so minus 0.2 minus 0.2 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial. So 2 into 1 Nefla square yn. So Nefla square y in that last value 14 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So n is minus 0.2, n plus 1 is minus 0.2 plus 1. Next is n plus 2. So minus 0.2 plus 2 divided by 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1. Nefla cube yn. So Nefla cube y, in that your value is 6. So into 6 equal to 34 plus into minus is minus 0.2 into 23. So you'll get 4.6 divided by 1 factorial. So you can leave as it is. Then plus minus 0.2 minus 0.2 plus 1 will be 0.8 into this 14 divided by 2. The next value is plus minus 0.2 into minus 0.2 plus 1. So you'll get 0.8. Next is minus 0.2 plus 2, you'll get 1.8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 6. So you can cancel this 2 and this 14, you'll get your 7. And here also 3 2s are 6. As it is with this 6, you can cancel it. Okay. So that is equal to 34 minus 4.6. This is plus into minus is minus 0.2 into 0.8 into 7. You will get it as 1.12. You can use your calculation and multiply it. Next is plus into minus is minus 0.2, 0.8, 1.8. You get it as 0.288. The next step is 34. Everything is with minus, so give one minus and just add everything. So your answer will be 6.008. Now subtracting 34 minus 6.008, you will get your answer 27.992. The value of f of x at x is equal to 2.8, that is only they have asked you to prove 2.8, is 27.992. So this is the answer for your 8th question.